Hello and welcome to Math is Easy Step by Step. Today I'd like to go over a topic, mean, median, mode, and range. This most likely will be a two-part video. And so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to jump right in and get started. So mean, median, and mode. I'm going to take these one at a time. I'm going to use these particular numbers for the first few examples, and then I'll have another set of numbers later on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any set of numbers, I always suggest before you do the mean, median, mode, and range is to place them in order from least to greatest, smallest to largest. So let's go ahead and take a look here. The mean is an average. Okay. So when you're looking for the mean, you're looking for the average. And anytime you're looking for the average, there's going to be division involved. You're going to add up all of the numbers given in a data set and then divide by how many numbers there are. Here there are 5 numbers. And again, I strongly suggest you rewrite these numbers in order from smallest to largest. So let's go ahead and take a look here. Again, we're trying to find the mean, the average. And again, the goal to find the mean is to add up all the numbers and then divide by the total numbers added together. So here, for example, I'm showing you 3, 2, 7, 5, and 1, the data set I used for this example. I'm going to add these up and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because there are 5 numbers. And that's how you find the mean or the average for just about anything, any data set. Okay, so when you add these numbers up together, you're going to get 18. 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 is 18, and then you divide by 5. You can use your calculator or manually divide. 18 divided by 5. If you haven't seen my fraction videos, take a look. Every fraction is a division problem. 18 divided by 5 will give you a 3.6 average or mean. So sometimes you'll have positive numbers in this data set. Sometimes you'll have negative numbers. Sometimes you'll have decimal numbers. Sometimes you'll have fractional numbers. But the way you find the mean is exactly the same every single time. You add them all up together, divide by the total numbers you have. Here you have 5 in my example. And that is all it takes. Now let's talk a little bit about the median number. So the median number, and again, if I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, rewind, take your time, look that video over as many times as you need to understand. So the median number is just the middle number in your data set. And in order to find the middle number, you must rewrite this data set in order from smallest to largest. So when we were finding the mean earlier, you noticed I did not do that other than at the very beginning written in red. The numbers for the mean, because you're adding them together, do not necessarily have to be written in order from least to greatest, smallest to largest. But in this case, you have to rewrite these guys. And that's what I'm showing you here from smallest to largest. You can see here that these numbers are written 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7 in order from smallest to largest. Now, what is the median? The median is always the middle number. So 3 in this example is our middle number. That's our median. Our median is 3. But it's easy to find a middle number in an odd data set, right? There are 5 numbers. It's an odd data set. There'll always be a middle. What do you do when there is no middle number, right? What do you do when there is no middle number? Here I'm showing you from 1 to 2 is 2 moves, from 7 to 5 is 2 moves, and that middle is the 5th number. Our middle number is the median. Always, always, always. Again, the key here is you have to rewrite this data set from smallest number to largest number in order to find the correct median, or middle number. Now, what do you do if there's an even data set for your median or middle number? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. So here's another example of a data set, median, middle number, and I'm going to continue this on a part 2 video, but I'd like to get you started. Again, we're looking at the median or the middle number, right? And what do you do when you have an even data set? I'm going to pick this up in the next video. Thank you for joining me. Look at part 2 to continue. Math is easy, step by step.